Hi, I'm Sandy from 2BFFs.com.
And I'm Denise with 2BFFs.com. Hope you're all having a great day and staying safe.
That's right. We hope you're happy and healthy and staying very safe and taking precautions. We wanted to bring you this video today because we wanted to give you some tips on how to stay healthy and how to keep your things sanitized and make it easy for you.
Very important.
Yes.
It's very important. And with some of the things that are going around and people having to wear masks all the time and latex gloves all the time, and the prices are much higher than they were a few months ago. So we wanted to bring attention some ways that you can keep your things sterile and use them over and over again.
Yeah.
On our site, we have a couple of different items. One is a sterilization wand. And what you do with that is you're able to pretty much wand anything you need to clean.
Yeah.
So there's nothing that's going to be better than washing your hands. But if you have kids and you're out and about, you can put the wand right in your purse.
And this is like over here. This is the wand.
Yeah, and we'll put a link on the wand.
Yeah.
But you can
and then, Denise, is this the travel one or is this just the regular one?
Well, mine is a do-all. I mean, the one that we have on our site, you can do anything with. I keep it in my purse, and you can clean after you've gone shopping. You can just wand your glasses or your keys,
or your phone,
even your latex gloves. You put your latex gloves in there, and you could use them over again.
Your mask, can you use them on your mask?
Oh, it depends on what mask you have. If you have the throwaway masks, the 3-ply disposable, you're not going to want to use those after 8 hours. You're just going to want to throw them away. But some people are spending a lot of money on the more protective masks or the cloth masks. And you can definitely wand those, and it will take care of 99% of any bacteria or virus. And what I like about it is it's like the Lysol wipes. When you're wiping things down or you touch them, you have to you have that on your hands. So with the wand, it's chemical free, and you're able with UV sterilization to sterilize everything. And it's safe, it's effective, it's
and isn't there like a special way that you use yours?
Oh, yes. So I use mine for everything, but I like to, I think I mentioned on the last video that I like to wand the bottom of my dog's feet after I take them. I have 4 dogs. And after I take them for a walk, I wand the bottom of their feet because there's living viruses that stay on the ground. And so you don't want in this day and age to bring things from the outside in your house.
Yeah.
So before we walk in the door, I wand the bottom of their feet, and I wand the bottom of my shoes. I take my shoes off, but I bring sterilization back into my house.
Yeah.
And it just makes me feel more comfortable. I also use them for, I mentioned I use it for my mobile phone. I use it for my glasses. I use it for my sunglasses. I use it for my keys. I use it on quite a few different items, and it's really paid for itself.
Yeah, I think it's really unique how you're using it with your dogs, because
what's funny is one of the things I read, Sandy, is that it kills like mites on dogs too. I mean, my dogs, we live in California, we don't really have mites, but if you're living in an area that has ticks, mites, things like that, it will work for that. So I think that's great.
Well, I think a lot of poor dogs aren't getting the walks that they used to recently.
I know. And so you can take the dog for a walk again.
Yeah,
it's terrific. One thing that I wanted to mention is that we know that you're all out there spending more money than you want on masks, on sanitation items. So we've researched many different sites, and we feel very good about our pricing. Our wand is $44.99, and we have it as the special of the week right now, and it's 20% off of that. 2BFFs 20. type that in when you check out.
Yes, and you'll get 20% off. I think it's great because, you know, with the shortage of cleaners and the shortage of hand wipes and the shortage of, you know, just antibacterial wipes, this is a really good option. And I'm really amazed by it. I think it's awesome.
We're excited about a lot of the things that we picked out for you. Sandy, did you want to talk about the sanitation box?
Yeah, so the other thing we're going to talk about is the UV sanitation box. That one is also on the deal of the week. And that one is really cool too. It's actually a box and it opens up. And what you can do is put your phone inside of the box, close it, and it sterilizes it, but it gets rid of all the bacteria on there, about 99% of the bacteria on your phone. And I wrote down a couple of facts that I wanted to read to you about it, and I'm going to pop on my glasses to do it. First of all, I think we all know that our phones are the dirtiest things in the world because we're constantly handling them, touching everything else, and then going back to them. So what this does is it disinfects the phone, it sanitizes it, and it reduces the risk of bacteria, which causes illnesses. It kills up to 99% of germs and bacteria. The benefit too about this is, you know, you can use it for not just your phone. You can use it. You can pop your keys in there. You can pop a mask in there. You can pop whatever it is that you want to get clean and to sanitize. If it fits in the box, you can put it in there. It has multiple settings to accommodate for different sanitation items. It has a built-in charger, and it can kill over 20,000 distinct types of bacteria. So it's an awesome little box. I mean, I think
Yeah, that's amazing.
yeah,
It's amazing.
um,
It just really, it sounds like it's a preference. Do you want the box or do you want the wand?
yeah. I mean, some of the things that people put in there are they put in their phones, they put in their wallets, they put in their jewelry, they put in, you know, anything that fits in the box, you can put it in there. So any
And the
personal
newest
item,
accessory lately, which is the cloth face masks.
yeah, and your mask. So I think it's going to be a really nice thing to have in this time and age, where we're trying to keep as healthy as possible. We have that one on special too. That's on our deal of the week. So we provided those two. And then we also have other wands on our website for some different options. And then we have a couple of other boxes too. So you can look into those and see what you think. And we'll link them below. And anything else, Denise, that you wanted to bring up?
Um, I think we're set. You know, we just want you, everybody out there to be careful and to be healthy and not be afraid. I think they're going to be, you know, hopefully, fingers crossed, we're May 1st, we're going to be able to stick our toe out the front door. I don't know what the restrictions are going to be, but when we do go out, that we're safe and that we're protecting ourselves and we're protecting our communities that we go out in.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things is it's going to be our responsibility to make sure that we're doing the right things outside to prevent illnesses from coming in our house. Because we're going to be, you know, like Denise said, we're going to be start putting our toes out there, and it's going to be up to us to really, you know, continue the social distancing, to use your gloves, use your masks, use sanitation devices, use wipes, you know, keep your areas clean. You know, think about, you know, the germs that you're bringing on the bottom of your shoes too, right? We're just, you know, this isn't stuff that we normally think about. It's not stuff that we want to think about, probably, you know, have never thought about, but we all need to just not care for ourselves, but we need to protect each other. So we need to take this very seriously.
Yes.
I miss people. I haven't seen Denise in a very long time, and she's my BFF, and so we do Zoom. Thank God for Zoom.
I know. We give each other virtual hugs every day. We do. So again, please subscribe. Please visit 2bffs.com. leave us any comments or suggestions that you have, and we're reading everything.
We are.
We're taking everything into consideration that you say.
You know, if you have any ideas of additional products that could, be helpful, or anything that you want to add, that would be great. We're
Yeah.
always open to suggestions.
Yeah,
Um,
let us know what you're doing. Let us know what you're doing. What type of masks do you like? What are you doing when you go out? How do you cover your face? Are you going out?
yeah.
Are you walking your dogs? Those are, those are some of the things that help us feel like we're going back to life again.
Yeah. And please do, like Denise said, please do like and subscribe. We hope you have a great day.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.